In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Steam games offline. Whether you're facing internet issues or you're just looking to game without any online distractions, playing offline can be a breeze once you know how. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Steam app open on your computer. If it's not installed yet, you can easily download it from the Steam website. Once you've got it running, you'll want to locate the login button. It's typically found in the app's opening screen. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Here, enter your account name and password. It's important to keep your login details secure, so make sure you're using a safe password that you remember easily. Once you've filled in your credentials, simply click on Sign In. This will take you to your Steam homepage. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your library. This is where all your games are stored. Browse through to find the game you wish to play offline. An essential step here is ensuring that the game or games you want to play are fully updated. Steam can only launch and run games correctly offline if all updates are installed beforehand. So make sure you complete any pending updates while you have an internet connection. Next, locate the Steam menu at the top left corner of your app. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this list, select Go Offline. Doing this prompts Steam to transition to its offline mode. You will notice that some features become unavailable, but don't worry, access to your games remains intact. Following this step, it's time to disconnect your internet connection. Turn off Wi-Fi or unplug any Ethernet cables to ensure you're completely offline. With that done, return to your library, select your game and click to launch it. Your game should start as usual and you can now enjoy uninterrupted gaming without being online. However, remember that while you're in offline mode, you won't have access to the Steam store, community features, or anything else that requires an active internet connection. But as far as gaming goes, you're all set to play uninterrupted. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enjoy your Steam games offline. It's a great solution for when you're traveling, have unstable connectivity, or just want to focus solely on your gaming. I hope this guide helped you simplify the experience. If you liked this video, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Enjoy your game time offline and happy gaming.